In this module, we are going to talk about increased flow of migrants. International migration rapidly increased after the World War II and is persistently accelerating, more specifically in a developed world. It has become a serious political debate. In response to the increasing international migrants, anti-immigration sentiments is fostering in the developed nations. Such migrations are happening owing to the uneven distribution of wealth. Developed world has more resources, economic resources, and less population. Developing world has less economic resources and more population. So that imbalance is causing this migration. The classical model, it reflects the migration patterns before 1945, but it increased rapidly afterwards. Migration to traditional nations of immigrants. For example, people moving from United Kingdom to Canada or Australia. After the Second World War, more countries came into existence in Asia, Africa, and Latin America. All those colonies of United Kingdom, France, and Germany were liberated after 1945, and people living in those countries were facing economic crisis. So they forced to immigrate to UK, France, or Canada or Australia. The colonial model. It is referred to the migration from very poor countries or from colonies to the traditional nations of the immigrants. For example, people moving from Africa to Australia. It was usually encouraged by the British government to provide citizenship to the skilled workers of former colonies. So this is where the shoe pinches. As I earlier explained the same thing, that the skilled labor or social capital is welcomed by the developed world, while unskilled labor or unskilled social capital is denied by the same developed world. The guest workers model. Workers are allowed for temporary residence due to labor shortage. These workers are mostly from former communist countries like Cuba and Vietnam. Citizenship is not offered. For example, Belgium and Germany import such workers. So this is how the capitalist approach tried to concentrate the skillful labor and make more economic gains. Illegal immigration. Main reason behind the increased flow of migrants in the contemporary world. No explicit permission, enter through smuggling or other secret ways. They are considered as outside the realm of official society. Such illegalities happen when people are not getting as much finance that they could sustain their families. Both the people who are being illegally transported from one place to another, they are also not having economic resources to stay at their native lands. And the people who are involved in smuggling are providing people that you can, providing people the assistance that you can come illegally, or we can send you illegally in another country. Both are in fact indulging in unlawful activity, and this is how they are not only creating problems for themselves but also for different nation states.